What is up everyone? Thank you for clicking on this video. In this video I show you about stunning nature. Hopefully guys really enjoyed it. Please hit 83 likes for this video. That will really help me out. Thank you.
Like and subscribe in the next 5 seconds for a week of good luck. Enjoy the video.
I would like to say thank you again so much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, if you haven't already, and subscribe. Turn on the post notification, so you don't ever miss out when we post. See you guys in the next video.